Hello guys and welcome back into today's video. I have a lot to go over. I'll be recapping the two trades that I have alerted today. I also want to talk about oil, a very nice setup, and overall a market update. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting all the timestamps in so that you guys can actually hover over and kind of skip through the part you want to see. So I'll try to do this more often to make it easier for you guys so you guys can save a lot more time. So make sure to follow me also on Twitter. So overall, the first thing I want to take a look at is Bank of America, a play that I alerted 2 days ago. Okay, so this was actually I alerted this today. We had puts from 2 days ago and then we played calls today. So if you guys actually take a look at the chart, trying to take a look at the chart, I can't view it, but anyways, on Discord I alerted Bank of America calls. Now overall, again, I was watching banks, I've posted this 2 days ago. Okay, I even made a video on it that I was watching the Bank of America gap and the gap fill and the bounce off of support. If we actually take a look in the daily time frame, Bank of America was setting up very nicely, and today we actually filled that gap, and today we also hit that level of price target that I was talking about in yesterday's video. So I made a video yesterday, I posted a tweet today, and today was where I actually alerted the scalp. And again, I was telling you guys everything in yesterday's video. If we take a look at the 5 minute, I said I was waiting for consolidation, and we saw consolidation, and we had a very nice breakout. So overall, that was a very nice play. It went over 100%. I got out very early. I got out in these two candles, and it ran up very nicely. So that is it with Bank of America. Again, our stop loss would be below this area, and overall this was a very nice play. We had same day expiration. The stop loss was nice, and overall our price target was the gap fill, which it did fill that gap. So overall, Bank of America, a very nice play that I alerted today. The next play that I alerted was XLE, so another scalp in the market. So as you guys know, XLE is kind of like the energy. So a lot of oil companies are on this ETF. So if we actually take a look at XLE, we had a very nice ascending triangle. So again, I usually try to post the chart before. So I posted this chart like 20 minutes before I've actually entered in this play. So as you guys can see, 11:25 was where I posted the chart, and then 11:47 where I actually posted that alert. And overall, it hit. Let's see if I can view it. It hit a 20% on our calls, and overall it was a very nice play. It ran up pretty nicely. It hit our price target, and overall XLE was a great play. So this was the scalp on XLE. SU, another oil company, also had that very nice great play off of the ascending triangle. Now what I want to get over, what I want to talk about in this video is going to be oil. Okay, so if we actually take a look at SU, okay, so if we actually take a look right over here, and then we take a look at SU. So for some reason my charts are not updating, but as you guys can see, with SU, we're seeing a very nice consolidation phase, and I posted the chart on Twitter yesterday, and I even talked about this on YouTube. Okay, oil is setting up very nicely. Okay, as you guys can see, ticker symbol SU, Suncor Energy, has a very nice symmetrical triangle. Now as you guys can see, it closed right at the breakout level, so I just hope we don't gap up. Okay, I did scalp oil today, but I really wanted to take the swing, but I wasn't able to. So as you guys can see, SU has a very, very nice setup. We have a very, very nice resistance around 30. Okay, so as you guys can see, 30 is a very, very tough position. Now, this is a neutral pattern, so we could also play puts to the downside, but with Russia, with all the war, that is creating in more demand for oil. So definitely watching oil for next week. I'm taking a look at just, some other oil companies. We can also see XLE, which is kind of the ETF, also kind of setting up with this flag. So we have a very, very nice flag on XLE. We also have a very, very nice flag on XOM. So as you guys can see, oil is going to be on high watch. When I post a weekly recap, I'm basically just looking to play oil next week. Okay, the setup looks very, very nice, and this is setting up for a very, very nice market rotation. SU is also very, very cheap, so not only can you also play shares, the options are going to be extremely, extremely cheap, and the spreads are going to be extremely, extremely cheap. So overall, when I posted the chart, it was pretty red, and now it is looking to break out. So at market open Monday, I'm looking to grab calls right at market open. I just hope we don't gap up, and I'm praying for that. So overall, that is it. For oil, let's do a quick market recap. The SPY up 2%, which is incredible. Again, we had pretty much the past 2 days have been great. If we take a look at the daily chart, if we actually take a look at the daily chart for the SPY, okay, we bounced off. So we kind of have this support. We kind of have this channel for SPY. So as you guys can see. So I do have a lot of lines drawn, but as you guys can see, SPY in this channel. Now the past 2 days have been great, even though we had these war concerns. I thought I would make a whole video, kind of making reasons why the market is really pumping during all of these concerns with war. And the biggest thing is sanctions, since America did put sanctions on Russia. That kind of reduces the competition with the global economy. So that were my thoughts. With that, I thought I would make a whole video because, again, on yesterday's video, I went over how, the past wars, the market really was going up. World War II, the Vietnam War, so all of that stuff. And overall, my only concern is China. Is China going to do anything? If China puts any, sanctions in the U.S., that is going to create a lot of fear. So overall, that is, the most important thing that I'm watching. But believe it or not, the past wars, the market was bullish for some reason, which I am very, very surprised. So I thought I would later make a video on that, kind of, giving you guys a better understanding. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, oil looks very, very, very nice. I want to have a quick look at GLD. GLD also looks very, very nice. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to join the Discord link in the description. Okay, Eggs of the Metaverse. Okay, I know you guys, some people don't have my alerts, but I'm deciding to do something with Eggs of the Metaverse, my NFT collection. So make sure to kind of join the link in the description of that NFT server. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow. Probably going to post a NFT video, not too sure. But anyways, bye-bye.